Hey guys, just giving you another very quick speed run of how to use MyTradingBuddy. So you'll just create a chat right here and you're going to tag a trading plan. So if you are a trader, you can custom configure your whole trading plan, and you just got to come in here and edit your trading plan and add all the details that you look through. You can watch other videos of it, but it's just pretty simple. Just whatever your strategy is, all the information like account capital, news events, your entry and exit rules when you trade, and all this information right here. And so when you create a chat, you're going to tag your trading plan. The AI will know all the details of exactly what you look through. And then how it works is just simply a chat feature that uses AI to analyze your charts, know your whole trading plan, and help you stay on top of your game when following your rules for your trading plan. So you have a lot of different things, like you can ask the AI, what are my exact rules? You can do a trade mode, which I recommend before entering any trade. You've got to do check off your whole list before you go into a trade and all that. So yeah, simply you just got to take screenshots. So just choose one of these AI image analysis. Chart analysis is default. You do have SMC ICT analysis right here and other institutional ones. While we're at it, one thing I do want to mention is that there is more analysis that you can actually use. These will just be default. So when you sign up, you'll get a default plan, and these ones will be toggled on by default. But you just got to go into the trading plan, to the quick messages area, and then just toggle on any of the other ones that you'd maybe want. These ones right here will do the job. It's just if you want to be particular and see like other ones, you can do that. So we'll go back to the chat and we'll take a screenshot now. Take a screenshot right here. Analyze. And now the image will be sent to the AI for chart analysis on the 1 hour time frame. And we'll wait, see what comes back. All right, so we just got the one back. Shows the current price, all this information right here, like it was a 1 hour long and 220, 250. So we're still about 50 points high. And so it could come down, or the AI is suggesting this because it sees the highest probability trade at this current moment. Maybe it's too expensive right now, the price, and obviously there was a lot of selling. So you may want to wait. I don't recommend really to short down to this area, because I know some people will think, well, why don't you just short down to here? It's risky because it still wants to go up to 360. And so you have to still be smart and know how to use it. But also it might not come back down to this. So you just have to know that there's different ways to look at this. That's why you have to hop into a lower time frame, like 15-minute. And okay, so there was some buying right now at this level right here. So it might not go all the way down to this 250, but it could. So you have to be a little conscious of that. So we'll take a screenshot of that. Send that in. So while we wait, this feature up here is now on normal and premium. What this does, it's the AI consensus. It's all like complex configuration of adding in each of these AI images and all the data to then give you the best overall idea. And so you can quickly see it right here on top of the chat. You can click onto the AI overall idea and see how this has been changing over time. So the history. So this was one. And in the background, we just got back to the second one. It's now combining this with the AI overall idea. And we'll see this update in a moment. So now you can see the history right here. And then the AI overall idea, still about the same right here. There was a little adjustment. But it's pretty much the same. And you can see the liquidity map right here. If you want to ever know like where liquidity was, This is all combined liquidity of each AI image analysis and order blocks as well. So it's just showing you a very simple, quick, easy way to, like, instead of scrolling down all these messages and reading like, okay, here's supply, here's like, all this details and stuff. You just gotta click here, and then this is all the data through each time you ran it. And so 285 to 90, and then you remember the 1 hour was 50 to 220. So always recommend to do higher time frames first, 1 hour, 4 hour, and then hop into lower ones once you really know that the 4 hours bullish or the 4 hours bearish, depending on the day. Then hop into a lower one, take another screenshot, and then you can always chat with the AI, like, what should I do? And the AI knows all this data now. So it can help you think through the best idea and really help you avoid mistakes. So the AI just came back and it said, okay, I'm allowed to trade London. This is my confluences that I have in my trading plan, which I mentioned earlier in the video. Does it match my rules? Okay, there's an order block right here. This is the nearest fair value gap. Don't buy right here because this wouldn't match my trading plan. My trading plan only looks for, fair value gaps and order block and try to enter there, which is 250, 260. So even though this 15-minute said enter right here, my trading plan only wants to enter into like an order block, a clear order block, which is way down there. And that's kind of more of this in between this one and in between like the 80 right here. So that's how like AI will help you make sure that you're following your trading plan. And that's why it's super important. And then, all my trade confluence, 1 hour is bullish, market structure shift, all this information right here, etc. So you can be very creative of how you do this, how you set up your trading plan, what you look for, and how you ask AI questions by typing it here, or you can do the quick messages, which I kind of showed for a brief moment in the trading plan. These are just saved messages that you type out. And so the whole point is to take a lot of screenshots, get the data in the chat. The AI knows your trading plan and knows the data, and it will help you stay on top of your rules. I only enter at an order block, only fair value gap. I only look for this and that. AI knows all this because it knows your whole trading plan when you create a chat. So that's really it. And you can like log your trades. You can have different trading plans. You can see AI economic calendar breakdowns. You can use AI to search the news, whatever you want it to search. It will go through all the internet and give you a full breakdown. And then eventually you gotta trade. So this is how you really use AI to improve your abilities as a day trader. If you want to start using it, you can sign up at MyTradingBuddy.ai to get started, and you can see the different pricing that we have. We have basic, which is only like $48 a month. Then you'll have normal and premium, which will allow this AI consensus right here and smarter AI, more agentic AI to be used, and information like that. So MyTradingBuddy.ai is where you can see more information or watch some more YouTube videos if you want to see more details.